Then I used to be like,
I got my renewal certificate. So मैंने बहुत टाइम से रिन्यू नहीं कराया था अपना सर्टिफिकेट. सो फाइनली पोस्ट करके मैंने रिन्यू कराया. लेट्स सी कहाँ है सीजर. थोड़ा सा कट करूँगी, कोई पुराना चल रहा है. So my certificate got renewed. It's up to 2029, so it's okay. Okay. It's in good form only. I thought कि वो लोग खराब कर देंगे, but got my certificate now. I'll get selection also. That's my manifestation. I do manifestation and manifestation works. Salatrip tablet fucker. I'm the fucker. The most shootier person I ever put someone has referred to. I'm getting sick every fucking week, I guess. किस चूतिया ने मुझे नज़र लगाई है. टर्मरिक वाटर भाई बहुत गला खराब हो रहा है. हॉट वाटर. Bitch. See now. You're in my vlog. See now. तुरंत नीचे धक्का दे दो. Walk fast. Since I woke up very late because I slept late, so after completing I think 6 to 7 hours of sleep, I got up, I took shower, I had some green tea. After that night, now I'm having coffee, hot coffee, along with I'm reading. I have only 10 to 15 minutes and I'm reading some positive quotes. What else I can do in this time? Now it's 1 o'clock. I have to get ready for my evening shift. This is how fucking my life is. Not video. So, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, it's been a long day. I didn't post anything. I didn't make any video because I was quite busy doing nothing. बस busy थी मैं बकचोदी करने में. And I don't even get time for myself. Like these weeks I was so tired, I was sick and I was fucking tired. Even my sugar got down. I was feeling dizzy, I was feeling tiring, I was doing all outings and all, and I didn't get time for me. And finally the day came when I got a time for myself, and I think it's good. Like you should give time to yourself and you should have some resting time instead of hanging out. I think the me time, cozy in bed, is the best thing that any girl can have. And I think, and you know, like when you don't get the time for yourself, so I think मुझे लगा in week, like in इतने दिन की, it's better to be alone instead of being with someone. Like instead of, I'm not with someone, but instead of being with the like you give your time to people like your friends and all, but you didn't give time to yourself. I think this is something I'm doing, like a productive thing. If I'm alone, if I feel depressive, if I feel all alone, like I'm the all alone girl who actually doesn't need anyone, but still I feel alone because living in different city is a kind of loneliness, of course. And I think making a video is some kind of like I'll get out of all those depression or all this sadness stage. And I think this is something I'm doing productive. Like जब मैं अकेली, like whenever, like most of the time मैं अपने रूम में रहती हूँ, and whenever I feel depressive or sad, or even because of my mood, I used to go out. And इस टाइम like मैं इतने टाइम से बाहर ही नहीं गई थी because I was not getting time because of hectic schedule. And so मेरा प्लान था कि I should go outside. So मैं ना, like whatever I think, whatever I decide, I used to follow that thing. So in मेरे जो list में था कि I have to go outside, I have to hang out, so मैंने वो सब पूरा किया. But the thing, but मैंने वो चीज़ें पूरी की, like I want to tick that my to-do list. So I was just completing my to-do list, and मैंने अपलोड like these things I have to do in this week, or the next day I have to go there, like whatever be the reason. Like once I decided I want to go to the beach, but the next day I feel very tired or I feel lazy, so I won't go. So मेरे to do list में था कि anyhow you have to go the next day. So मैंने ऐसी चीज़ें follow की. I follow everything. I tick all my to do list, and but मुझे like you know like वो calmness और peace नहीं मिला, because I just running over those things. So finally I got a time, like for a month I was in my room, I think so, for not for a month but for at least 25 days I'm in my room. I didn't get out. So मेरे list में था कि I should go, but मैंने उन सब चीज़ों में भागते भागते like I didn't give time to myself, to my health. You know, मेरा एक ऐसा स्टेज आता है like I do a lot of outing, then I'll get tired. My body like वो हार ही मान जाती है कि नहीं कर सकती आरती तू, और इतना तेरे बस की नहीं है, और I need rest. So इतना आउटिंग करने के बाद एक स्टेज आता है कि I want to be in my room only. I want to give time to myself. So this is the thing that what I was like. एक घर जाने से पहले मैंने ऐसा रूटीन बना रखा था कि लाइक आई मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई विल बी इन माई रूम एंड आई विल डू वेरी लिमिटेड आउटिंग, एंड दैट वॉन्ट हर्ट माई बॉडी, वॉन्ट हर्ट माई हेल्थ. बट यू नो लाइक आप जब बहुत लंबे टाइम तक बाहर नहीं जाते हो तो अचानक से यू नो एक फोमो. Whatever you wish, you can order because I'm almost full, bro. Kar. My lips are too pinky and reddish. देख रहा है. ऐसे नहीं वो ऐसे नहीं कैसे मैन कैसे वो ऐसे पीते हैं. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे दूसरा होता है, ऐसे ही होता है. It's something lemon tea. It's nice only. I like it. Nice. I like it. तो नॉर्थ नहीं है ना, तभी तक ये सब पसंद नहीं आएगा. हेल्दी चीज़ थोड़ी ना पसंद आएगी इस देवी को. तेरा दूसरा पैर तो आ नहीं रहा. गाना बंद करना.